Aw, man. We're on our last pack of cheese curds.
That's okay. Our snack pack subscription just got delivered.
Sweet, let's restock the fridge. Let's see what we got this month. Okay, regular cheese curds. Chili cheese curds, my favorite. Garlic and dill cheese curds. Buffalo wing cheese whips. Oh, I saw they were sold out of these online. Regular cheese whips. String cheese. Cool, let's check what meats we got. Ooh, barbecue snack sticks. I love putting these in Bloody Marys. Honey ham snack sticks. And the classic sliced salami is back. Sick.